Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beetroot pickle with vinegar. Start with the freshest beetroots you can find, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Give them a good wash and trim off the tops and tails. Next, boil them gently until they are perfectly tender, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on their size. Once cooled slightly, the skins will slip off easily. Then, slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, for consistent pickling. For the pickling brine, you'll need a balanced mix of liquids and seasonings. Combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt until they fully dissolve. For extra flavor, add whole spices such as 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1 bay leaf. Gently simmer this mixture for about 5 minutes. Proper sterilization is key for safe and long-lasting pickles. Make sure your glass jars and lids are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized, either by boiling or in a hot oven. Carefully pack the warm, sliced beetroots into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Then, pour the hot pickling brine over the beetroots, ensuring they are completely covered. This prevents spoilage and ensures even pickling. Once the jars are filled, seal them tightly with their lids. Let them cool down to room temperature on your countertop. For the best quality and safety, store your homemade beetroot pickles in the refrigerator. While they are delicious immediately, allowing them to sit for at least 24 hours or even a few days will let the flavors fully develop and deepen. Enjoy your vibrant, tangy beetroot pickles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.